range. The easiest part of this bargain hunt is that I can afford anything I want. Whenever I travel around the world, I spend my money for two. Shopping for souvenirs helps me to be near you. I try to decide how much I should pay for the beautiful art I see on display. To get a great deal, I can't be too nice. It can't hurt to ask for a better price. Whenever I travel around the world, I spend my money for two. Shopping for souvenirs helps me to be near you. Yes, it's gorgeous, and I love it. It's the biggest and the best, though it might not be the cheapest. How much is it? More than